My dear students, please subscribe my channel Satish Master 4919. We learned mensuration in the class part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are learning sixth part. In fifth part, we learned 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise sums in exercise 10.3. Fourth sum, in part 5, fourth sum, it is a cylinder, not cone. This is the fourth sum. You learned. Next, we will learn fifth sum. It is a cylinder. Okay. Fifth sum. In the adjacent figure, the height of solid cylinder is 10 centimeter and diameter is 7 centimeter. Two equal conical holes of radius 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter are cut off as shown as the figure. Find the volume of remaining solid. Here is a solid. It's a cylinder. So, in the figure of solid cylinder, it has a cylinder. The cylinder have two cones. Cut off the two cones. So, two cones. Cut off the two cones. Cut the two cones. And so, it's a cone. It's a cylinder. To cut two cones out of the cylinder. To cut the two cones out of the cylinder. As this figure. So, two cones cut out of the cylinder. The height of the cylinder 10 centimeter. Diameter of the cylinder 7 centimeter. Two equal conical holes radius. Share two equal cones. The radius is 3 centimeters. Height is 4 centimeters. ఒక సిలిండర్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ సిలిండర్ లోంచి రెండు సమానమైన కోన్స్ ని తీసేశారు. రిమైనింగ్ సాలిడ్ మిగిలిపోయిన సాలిడ్ యొక్క వాల్యూమ్ కావాలి. ఇది అయితే మనం సిలిండర్ వాల్యూమ్ కడతాం. We will find the volume of cylinder. Next, అది పార్ట్ 1 అయితే ఒక కోన్ వాల్యూమ్ కడతాం. టూ కోన్స్ కాబట్టి 2 into 2 కోన్స్ వాల్యూమ్ కడతాం. ఈ సిలిండర్ వాల్యూమ్లోంచి ఈ 2 కోన్స్ వాల్యూమ్ తీసేస్తే మనకి రిమైనింగ్ సాలిడ్ వాల్యూమ్ వస్తుంది. Do you understand? Okay. Listen me. Part 1. Cylinder. Height of the cylinder. H is equal to 10 centimeter. Height of the cylinder 10 centimeter. Diameter of the cylinder D is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder R is equal to D by 2, 7 by 2. Radius of the cylinder 7 by 2 centimeter. We want volume of the cylinder. We want volume of volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder 5R square H. Volume of the cylinder 5R square H. So 5 means 22 by 7. R means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h means 10. So 7 cross. 2 1 ja 2 11 ja 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 11 5 ja 55 into 7. 7 5 ja 35 3 7 5 ja 35 plus 3 38 centimeter cube. Okay, cylinder volume. Next, part 2 cones. 2 cones. So, cone, height of the cone, h is equal to 4. Radius of the cone, r is equal to 3. So, volume of cone, one third pi r square h. Volume of the cone, one third pi r square h. There are 2 cones, same 2 cones. So that 2 cones. So 2 into 1 third pi r square h. 2 into 1 third. Pi means 22 by 7 into r means radius 3 into 3 into h4. So 3 1 ja 3. Next 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4 into 3 4 ja 12 by 7. 12 4 ja 48. 4 12 4 ja 48 plus 4 52 by 7. 528 by 7. 7 7 ja 49. 3 8 7 5 ja 35. 3 0 point. 7 4 ja 28. 2 0. 7 2 ja 14. 6 0. 7 8 ja 56 4. So 75.428. 75.53. Second digit 5 or above. Third digit 5 or above. We will add 1. So 43. 75.43 centimeter cube. So 2 cones volume is 75.43. But remaining volume. So we want remaining volume. మిగిలిన వాల్యూమ్ కావాలి అంటే సిలిండర్ వాల్యూమ్ లోంచి 2 కోన్ వాల్యూమ్ తీసేయాలి. సో he want remaining solid volume. So volume of remaining solid is equal to part 1 minus part 2. Part 1 is 385 minus 75.43. So 385 minus 75.43. So subtraction 7 10 by minus 3 7 9 4 5.4 1 borrow 14 9 7 0 3 309.57 centimeter cube. Sixth sum. spherical marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeters which contains some water. Find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that water level rises by 5.6 centimeter. He gave a cylinder. Spherical marbles. These are spherical marbles. He dropped into the cylinder. There are some water in the cylinder. Spherical marbles dropped into the cylinder. So beaker of diameter, the cylinder of diameter, the diameter of the cylinder is 7. Can some water level find the number of marbles that should be. So the marbles, diameter of the marble 1.4, radius 1.4 by 2, 0.7. How many marbles to drop into the cylinder? The water rises, height is 5.6. ఒక సిలిండర్ ఉంది, ఆ సిలిండర్లో స్పెరికల్స్ ఆ మార్బుల్స్ కొన్నింటి అందులో డ్రాప్ చేశారు, వదిలేశారు. వదిలేయగా అందులో ఉన్న వాటర్ 5.6 సెంటీమీటర్ రైజ్ అయ్యింది. అయితే 5.6 సెంటీమీటర్ రైజ్ అయినప్పుడు అందులో ఎన్ని స్పేస్ వదిలేశారు అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వీ విల్ ఫైండ్ ద రైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద సిలిండర్ హైట్, వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద సిలిండర్. పార్ట్ 1 cylinder. So height of the cylinder, rising cylinder. So out of the rising 5.6 centimeter. So 56 by 10. May I write 56 by 10 centimeters. Diameter of the cylinder, D is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder, R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Volume of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h, pi 22 by 7 into r 7 by 2, r square 7 by 2, h 56 by 10. So 7 7 cancel, 2 1s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 28s, 11 into 7 into 28 by 10 centimeter cube. ఇది ఎలా ఉంటుంది? నెక్స్ట్ స్పెరికల్ మార్బుల్, స్పెరికల్ D 1.4, స్పైర్ పార్ట్ 2, diameter of the spire, sphere D is equal to 1.4. Radius of the sphere, R is equal to 1.4 by 2, 0.7, 0.7, 2 1s are 2 7s are 0.7 centimeter. So here 7 by 10 centimeter. May I write 7 by 10 centimeter? volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 into 22/7 into 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10 r cube. This is the part 1 answer. This is the part 2 answer. So number of spheres, we want number of spheres. Are part 1 by part 2. So part 1 11 into 7 into 28 by 10 by part 2 4/3 into 22/7 into 7/10 into 7/10 into 7/10. So numerator, denominator. So this is a total numerator, this total denominator. Upside the fractions are opposites. 11 into 7 into 28 by 10 into 3/4 into 7/22 into 10/7 into 10/7 into 10/7. Okay, so 10 cross 4 1 जा 7 1 जा 7 4 जा 4 1 जा 4 1 जा. Next 7 cancel. 7 cancel. 11 1 जा 11 2 जा 2 5 जा. So remaining 5 3 जा 15 10 जा 150 spares. 150 గోళాలు అందులో పడ్డాయి. 150 spares. Okay. 7th sum. A pen stand is made of wood in the sphere shape of cuboid with 3 conical depressions of hold the pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So it is a pen stand. It is a pen stand. It is a cuboid. The dimensions of the cuboid యొక్క కొలతలు length 15, breadth 10, height 3.5. The dimensions of the cuboid 15, 10, 3.5. So 15, 10, 3.5. May I write 35/10? Okay. So there are 3 holes as like a cone. ఒక క్యూబాయిడ్ కి 3 హోల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అవి కోన్ రూపంలో ఉన్నాయి. దాంట్లో పెన్ పెట్టుకోవడానికి వీలుగా. సో కోన్ యొక్క హైట్ 1.4 సెంటీమీటర్, రేడియస్ 0.5 సెంటీమీటర్స్. రేడియస్ 0.5 సెంటీమీటర్, హైట్ 1.4 సెంటీమీటర్. అయితే ఈ 3 వుడ్లోంచి తీసేగా రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూమ్ కావాలి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ we will find cuboid volume. Next we will find cone volume. 3 cones, say 3 cones. So subtract of the cuboid volume minus 3 cone volume, remaining solid value. Okay. the dimensions of the cuboid 5, 10, 3.5. So the volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. The volume of the cuboid is LBH. So 15 into B, 10 into H, 35 by 10. So 0, 0. 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 3s are 45, 52 centimeter cube. It's a cuboid volume. Next, we will find out cone. Height of the cone. Height of the cone 1.4 means 14 by 10 centimeter. Radius of the cone R 0.5 means 0.5 means 1 by 2 centimeter or 5 by 10 1 by 2 centimeter. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. So 3 cones volume. So 3 into 1/3 pi r square h. 3 cones 1, 2, 3. 3 cones. So 3 into 1/3 pi r square h. So 3 into 1/3 pi means 22 by 7 into r means radius half. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into height. Height of the cone 14 by 10. So 7 1 the 7 2 the 3 cancel. 2 1 the 2 11 the 2 cancel. 11 by 10 means 1.1 centimeter cube. So 3 cones volume 1.1 centimeter cube. We want to remaining solid volume. Remaining solid volume is equal to cuboid volume minus 3 cones volume. Cuboid volume is equal to 525 minus 3 cones volume 1.1. So 523.9 centimeter cube. 523.9 centimeter cube. So it's a remaining cuboid volume. So the exercise of 10.3 completed. Next exercise 10.4. Please subscribe Satish Master 4919.
Yeah.